How meditation can transform your life in 10 minutes a day. Have you ever wondered why some people seem calm and composed, even when everything around them seems to be falling apart? What's their secret? How do they manage to keep it together when the world feels like it's crumbling? The answer may surprise you. It's not about luck, wealth, or even knowledge. Their secret is something much simpler, but infinitely more powerful: meditation. And what's even more incredible is that it takes only 10 minutes a day to completely transform your life. Yes, you heard that right. Just 10 minutes of meditation a day can significantly change your outlook on life, your stress levels, and your happiness. It sounds too good to be true, right? But science and ancient wisdom agree. Regular meditation helps reduce stress, improve concentration, and make you happier. Think about it. In just 10 minutes, you can give your mind the break it desperately needs, restore your inner calm, and prepare yourself to handle whatever the day throws at you. If you're curious about how a small daily meditation habit can lead to profound changes in your life, stay with us. We're about to show you exactly how this simple practice can lead to extraordinary results. Meditation isn't complicated, and it doesn't take much time. A common misconception is that you need hours of free time or that you need to sit in silence for extended periods to get any benefit from meditation. But the truth is, all you need is 10 minutes a day. It might seem like a small commitment, but those 10 minutes can have a massive impact on your life. First of all, meditation helps to reduce stress. In our busy lives, stress has become a constant companion. From work to personal obligations, it feels like we are always in a rush, always under pressure. But here's the thing: stress doesn't just affect your mood. It has long-term effects on your physical health as well, leading to issues like high blood pressure, heart disease, and anxiety. This is where meditation comes in. When you meditate, you give your mind the chance to take a break. You temporarily disconnect from the endless stream of worries, obligations, and distractions. All it takes is 10 minutes of focusing on your breath, and suddenly you're able to find calm amidst the chaos. You stop being a victim of your circumstances and start controlling your reactions to them. Over time, these daily meditation sessions will help you manage stress in a way that makes you more resilient, even when life gets tough. Next, meditation improves your ability to concentrate. In today's world, our attention is constantly divided. Whether it's work, social media, family, or entertainment, there's always something vying for our focus. But this scatterbrained approach to life comes with a cost. When you're constantly switching from one thing to another, your brain becomes overwhelmed and your productivity suffers. You may feel like you're getting a lot done, but in reality, you're spreading yourself thin. Here's where meditation can be a game changer. Through consistent practice, meditation trains your mind to focus on one thing at a time. You'll find that your ability to concentrate improves significantly. This newfound focus will help you excel in your work, be more present in your relationships, and better enjoy life's little moments. The more you practice, the more you'll notice that your mind becomes sharper, clearer, and more capable of dealing with challenges effectively. But perhaps the greatest benefit of meditation is the sense of happiness and inner peace it provides. Life can often feel like a race, with happiness always just out of reach. We tend to tie our happiness to external factors: a promotion at work, a new relationship, or the next big achievement. But true happiness isn't found outside of us. It comes from within. Meditation allows you to tap into this internal source of happiness. By spending just 10 minutes a day being fully present, without judgment or distraction, you start to realize that contentment isn't dependent on material things or other people's approval. Instead, it's about appreciating the present moment. This shift in mindset changes everything. You stop chasing happiness and start feeling it right where you are. So, How can you get started with this life-changing habit? Here are some simple steps to incorporate 10 minutes of meditation into your daily routine. 1. Find a quiet place. This could be any space where you won't be interrupted, a corner in your home, a park bench, or even your office during a break. The goal is to have a peaceful environment where you can focus. 2. Sit comfortably. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need to sit in a specific meditation posture like the lotus position. What's important is that you sit in a way that feels comfortable to you, with your back straight to help you stay alert. 3. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and simply notice your breath. Pay attention to how the air flows in and out. You don't need to control your breathing, just observe it. This simple act of focusing on your breath will anchor your mind and prevent it from wandering. 4. Acknowledge your thoughts without judgment. When you start meditating, it's natural for your mind to wander. Don't get discouraged. When you notice your thoughts drifting, gently guide your attention back to your breath. The goal isn't to stop thinking altogether, but to become aware of your thoughts without being consumed by them. 5. End your session slowly. After 10 minutes, open your eyes and take a few moments to sit quietly. Let yourself savor the calm and clarity you've created. That's it. Just 10 minutes of meditation a day can have a powerful impact on your life. And the best part? The more you practice, the easier it becomes. You'll start to notice that your mind feels less cluttered, your emotions are more balanced, and you feel a deeper sense of inner peace. Imagine how different your life could be if you took just 10 minutes a day for yourself. Just think of the possibilities: lower stress, improved focus, and a greater sense of happiness. And all it takes is a small commitment. No special equipment, no expensive classes. Just you and 10 minutes of your time. If you want to experience these life-changing benefits, don't wait. Start your meditation journey today. You don't need perfect conditions or hours of free time. All you need is the willingness to try. And trust me, the results will speak for themselves. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more practical tips on meditation, self-development, and spiritual growth. Share your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried meditation before? What benefits have you noticed? Your experience could inspire others to begin their journey toward inner peace and fulfillment. Don't forget to hit the like button and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Let's continue this journey toward a happier, more mindful life together.